Hey. Let's go. Oh, I died. Damn it. It's been like, I don't know, maybe like 4 or 5 days since I've driven it. Let's go. Second try. Maybe. Oh, fuck. One more time. Third time's the charm. Let's see. We have enough 85? I think so. Get that cold start. I swear, bro. The 85 cold starts are always the best. Trying to find a spot to film this video, but it's packed everywhere. Where can we film? Let's see, I think we set off an alarm right now. I don't know if you guys heard it, but maybe somewhere in the back. Looks like we found the spot right over here around the corner. No cars. Perfect spot to film. Alright. So to start this little vlog, again, the next video is going to be an entire modeless video. So subscribe so you can stay tuned to the channel. And let's go. Let's go see what we're going to do. So the most recent Pro Tune at Snow Performance with full bolt-ons, I pushed 384 wheel horsepower and 401 wheel torque, and that's on the 85. I think that's a lot of power, especially being stock block still. Almost 400 wheel and it's 401 wheel torque. So the entire fuel system has been upgraded. This car is no longer side feed. It was converted to top feed with the 1300cc injectors and the IAG TGV deletes. So moving on from there, I also have the Cop Flex fuel, which is very convenient to have. I recommend for every Subaru owner that is going to go 85 to have one of these. There's also another big thing about this car and why it's pushing almost 400 wheel horsepower is because of the turbo. The car is running a Cop 20G TD05 turbo, and I've been running this setup for about 2 years. Let me tell you something, this turbo is perfect for the street. It spools super fast. It's almost like OEM. The best part about it is that it holds boost all the way to red line. So I'm pushing 22 pounds of boost straight from this snail all the way to the red line, which is so freaking crazy. I have my baby feeder right there. That VP Racing jug to carry 85, very convenient to have. So that's normally where I store 85. Let's say if I'm going on a road trip or something. I know a lot of you guys have been digging the POV type of videos. Do you guys want to know one pet peeve that I have? People are like, what does blobby stand for? I'm like, bro, what the heck? Like, blobby, are you serious? It's blobby. You can't disrespect blobby like that. It's called blobby because of the headlights, because they're shaped like a blob. 06 to 07, those are called the hawk eyes, very curvy and pointy. The year before this, 02 to 03, those are called the bug eyes. Oh, I gotta take those pictures for the gram. There we go, maybe like right there. Be sick. Oh, this angle is crazy good. Look at that. Lighting is just perfect. Damn. Gloomy day outside. Looks like fog, I don't know. So the distinct features of a 04 STI, obviously the headlights, it's shaped like a blob, and the wheel pattern, OEM is 5x100, not 5x114.3. It's for the rear. They do not come with their rear flares. And the 04 STI models also come with this Tomei catback. Yo, these seats, look how glittery they are. You know, I gotta show my support to Colin McRae, the legend right there. And I also have Colin McRae over here, my window. You know, I gotta show people what's up. Legendary rally car with the 22B. I know you guys like these POV type of videos. All right. Oh, again, famous Subaru sound. I know you guys know this sound. Those GD Subaru owners. Thing squeaks like a mother, dude. Oh man, we got the boys right there. Oh my God. I'm shifting so slow. The boys are right behind me. Damn, straight chilling. They're right behind me. I love shifting in this thing. Downshift again. Shifting again. Downshift. Downshift to third. Brake boost. Downshift. Brake boost. Downshift again. So a lot of you guys are asking which gauges I run on my Cobb access port. So here it is. I have the boost gauge, intake temp, ethanol final, air fuel ratio, fine knock learned, and feedback knock. Believe it or not, for the entire lifetime of my car that's been tuned, I've never seen this number go out of 0. That shows a lot with the tune and how well the car can handle the power. The ethanol is E83, which means more power and more boost. So let me give you guys a nice little two-step. I'm gonna show you guys how to set up your two-step on the access port if you don't know. So you're gonna go to tune, adjustments, launch control. Let's set it at 4800. And I want to get you guys the two-step. Let's see. I can't just tease you guys with the exhaust. I gotta show you guys what's up. Out here in Cali, straight piped, damn near straight piped. And let's see, how can I set this up? Alright, it looks like maybe right there. A perfect shot. Show you guys that two-step. I can't just tease you with the exhaust. So it's smoky because it's vaping. Nah, I'm with y'all. It's on E85, so that's why